Hey guys, today we're going to be parting ways with this old Polaris. It come here, I don't know, well over a year ago, I'm sure. And he just had a bog and just wanted the bog fixed, so I made the mistake of looking at it. And we fixed the bog and did an oil change and changed the diff fluids and such. As soon as we changed the diff fluids, the diffs were leaking. As soon as we put fluid in them, they were leaking, I suppose. Anyways, I gave it a quick check over after the carbs. All four wheel bearings were shot. I mean, like, not a little play like a normal Polaris, but falling off. Anyways, he was driving like that, plowing his driveway, and then it stopped charging. So we did a stator and regulator on that. Couple $100, maybe $400, God knows what stator and regulator is. Had to fix this switch on the transmission and all the shift linkage. This was just to initially get it going. Yeah, then it started to get water in his front diff because the seals were bad and the lap blew apart. He'd just keep changing the fluid instead of replacing the seals. This is what's happened to that. Took forever to get the carbs working right. Somewhere in the mix there, starter went, another couple $100. Just the fluids for these things are stupid money. Just after changing the diffs both a couple times because they leak and replacing that diff because it leaked. Anyways, meanwhile, I told the customer this bike was never worth fixing, and they laughed because it looks somewhat decent and only has 2,000 kilometers on it. Every U-joint, front, back, drive shaft, front, back diffs are gone. Needed some clutch work, some transmission work just to get it moving the first time. It did sit for some time, but still, all four brake calipers were seized solid on it. Both ball joints. Basically anything that could go. All the bushings and stuff were gone. And exhaust gaskets were all gone. He went through several batteries in it. Does start and run pretty good. Unfortunately, the carburetors are the only thing I can make better on a Polaris. Yeah. But anyways, these jobs are a nightmare, right? Because I clean the carb, he wants to do one more thing and one more thing and one more, and they just haunt you. Just, sorry, bud. Is what it is. What is it? Yeah, and the axles come in wrong, and that other diff that he had is still has other problems. We resealed and did the bearings, but the magnetic hub on that one's broken. The magnetic hub on that one's different and also broken. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. It's 2,000 kilometers, and I wouldn't even try to fix it with the 2,000 kilometers on it in the first place, really. It's... What is that? Oh, yeah, so I eventually convinced the customer that, he should just part ways with it, and anyways, he brought me the paperwork for the bike and said, yeah, if you can sell it, sell it. And I tried to put it on for $1,500, and despite not being worth it, it does have a lot of money and new parts spent on it. You can't get $500 for this thing. Nobody wants it. Nobody wants the papers, the frame, the nothing. It's just junk. There was probably sold with the wheel bearings gone and they're still gone. You know what I mean? That's not much more I can say about that. Save yourself some time and effort. Don't buy yourself a 2000 and something Polaris. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it saves you some money and some frustration.